Hey guys, it's Studio back with another video, and today I am playing Cat Goes Fishing. So let's do this. Oh, you gotta say this. New quest: catch one mustard fish. Okay, I got this. I paid money for this. Wait. No, why is that fish there? What? Now let's sell that. Mustard fish. What the frick? That's a cuttlefish. Is that a mustard fish? Oh, I got a mustard fish. Oh. What? I want you. I'm gonna catch it. Ah! Oh, there goes that fish. Ooh, unlocked for 750. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. The controls are surprisingly hard. Ugh. There's a new quest. Still can't get it. Wait, yeah, I can. Ooh, I got a new rod. What? I want to cast further. Go. Give me no. I want that monster. That was so cool. If that little stinking cuttlefish thing in it. Fly. No. What? Go. Yes. Oh, what's a catalog? Oh. Large. Medium. Mustard. New quest is to purchase a rod attachment. A rod attachment. I don't see any rod attachments. Yeah, there's no rod attachments. Looks like I have to catch more fish. No, I don't want to cut a fish. No, I don't want you. Yes! Come here, big boy. I had to launch it so far for that guy. Go. No, I don't want you to cut a fish. With the red one? I can't. I don't have enough money. Hey guys, we're back. Now I got this red rod for 10,000. And I'm gonna catch a really big fish from the bottom. I don't have enough money. Like, go, rod. No, I don't want you, stupid fish. Yes. Ooh, I got a big one. No! He literally took my hook! Oh, my hook. So I've kind of figured this game out. You gotta get one of these, and you bring them back up. Got him. And you throw him back in. And you try to get a big one. No, 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 I don't want a little one. I want that guy right there. Oh, come on. No! Stupid tiny fish. That sell for nothing. There we go. And it did! That's great. I need you, tiny fish, this time. But no. Purple fish, come on. One fish, come on. What? Dumb. Thank God. Oh, gimme. Wait, there's a guy up there? He's really easy to get. Oh God. Yes. Can't let that line go red. Otherwise, the line's gonna break. Happens so quick. Damn. Come on. Come on. Yes. Real. Yes. I have to sell this one though. Okay. Come here, little fishies. And then come here, big fish. Okay, now I need to sell this one too. Why? Wait, how much are? 400 and 200. Oh, I have enough. So now I just gotta get a big fish. Not a real big one. Well, that just ruined it. No! Yes. Yes. Okay, now I need boom. And boom. And boom! Bam! No little fishies. Oh, I got a big one. What? What? No, the little one! The stupid little one. Kills me every time. No. Now let's try this again. Not enough money. This is great. No. I don't want these guys to touch me. Don't touch this. Oh no! I was so close. Why are these little fishies so dumb? No, I'll see you guys when I get better. I just got this guy. He's green and he sells for 8,000. I'm gonna sell him. Now we got money. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a big fish. Oh, this is a small one. Go. Line don't break on me. There we go. Go! There's a pretty big one down there. Oh, come on, that cast better be good. Oh, no. No. Yep, he's right there. Go! No, why? Why do little fish Fly, little fish. Go! 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 Yes. Yes. No! Why can I get this? Oh yes! Yes, I landed right on him. No! Why does this happen to me? Yes! Okay. Boom. Boom. Bam! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on? What is going on? I just want to leave it alone. I don't know what's going on, but I'm scared. Ah! No! What the freak? Okay guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, say bye cat. Bye. See ya.